Okay, this is just for all you haters out there about Marvel pliers. Here's a good old rusty set. Actually, these ones look nice and sharp. We've got two apparatuses in front of us. Yeah, that one's got a few dings in her. So that one's been going through a few steelies. Okay. Oh shit. Anyway, today we're going to teach you how to strip cat5 with Marvel pliers. It's pretty easy, guys. You take out the furry bits because no one likes the furry bit in their box, do they, gents? How should we go this? Let's just go these in these two conductor colours. So we're purely demonstration about stripping these conductors. So these are solid core conductors. Now can't whinge about these. Well, let me just say, can't whinge about fucking 1mm squared being hard enough to strip. So let's try this bad boy. There you go, gents. What do you think about that one? It's all about the pressure, mate. All about that pressure. Gentle, gentle. Hey? Just like you're fucking her up the arsehole, mate. Just fucking be gentle about it, okay, mate? Fucking hell. Just don't fucking go in there. All fucking blazers going, mate. And there you go. That's how you strip cat5 with the set of Marvels.